Here's I'll show you how to make a pop-up folder in your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. On your home screen or app screen, just tap and hold an app just like so, and you have to drag the app into another app just like so. And here, drop the app when a folder frame appears around the app, and here a new folder will be created just like so. So this is the pop-up folder. Let's do it once more time. Go to your app screen or home screen, just long press on the app and simply drag the app into another app, and here we can see a pop-up folder frame showing. Just release your app and a pop-up folder will be created. Now just tap on folder name, and here you can rename the pop-up folder just like so. To change your folder color, tap on this color icon, and here you can go ahead and select a different color for your folder. And this is how you can actually create pop-up folder in Samsung Galaxy A16. Thanks for watching.